everybody, welcome to my channel, and yes, it is time for my weekly cleaning video, week 21. You guys can say hello to Charlotte. She wants to be by my side all the time. Like, she doesn't like me putting her down, which I'm okay with. I'd rather just sit and relax and hold her all day long, but I gotta get some stuff done. Now I started my weekly cleaning video for 19 about 2 weeks ago today, and I never got to finish it, and then I finally finished it, you know, Saturday that just passed. But today is Wednesday, and I feel refreshed. I'm getting about 5 to 6 hours of sleep, but husband lets me nap when I need a nap. But other than that, we are doing great. She's doing great. I don't know if it's just easier this time around or if she's just an easier baby, but I feel great. And what we've been doing is we've been trying to pick up stuff. Ben's been kind of a little terror, and I know it's different with the baby, but what we're going to start doing is we had him do the sticker chart. When we had him pick up some stuff up, we gave him a sticker. We've been slacking on that since she was born, so we're going to start picking that up again and have him start becoming a good kid again. But he just loves his sister. He has to share his sister everywhere we go, but he's still a little stinker, but I know that's normal. So what we're going to do this week is we're actually getting tile on our backsplash, and the husband's like, I want to be a part of your cleaning video. So he wants to be a part of the cleaning video. He might be in this one, or he might do a separate one. He's not sure what he wants to do, but we are going to do that. And I do have to lie to you guys, or not lie to you guys, but I do have to tell you I finished some of the laundry. I didn't do all of it, so I'm going to take you guys upstairs and show you guys what I have to work on. But I'm getting the laundry done today. It's a nice day outside, yes. That means Graham can watch Ben. She'll hang out with me. Sounded like somebody opened my door. Graham just went to go pick up Ben. But she'll hang out with me, and I'm going to get the laundry done. But stuff we want to get today done is a couple things, so I'm going to share with you guys on that. And next week, I know this is going to be kind of frowned upon, but next week I am having a garage sale. Graham and I have so much stuff for my stockpile that I'm going to get rid of it. Now, I don't sell it to make a profit. I sell it to get my money back, what I paid, what I invested driving all over the place. So we just do that, and a lot of people love my prices because I'm pretty cheap. Like, I go on these Facebook pages and I see people reselling stuff. Like, somebody was selling 3 things of baby wipes for $5, and I'm like, who would pay that price for it? For me, I would sell them for $1 a piece. So that's how I kind of do it. If you guys want to see me do a separate video for that, let me know. Otherwise, I am going to probably include that with my cleaning video next week because my basement is a mess. So I'm going to show you guys the basement today, but I'm not going to touch it really this week. We're going to mostly work on it next week and then from there on. So giving you guys a heads up on that, but I'm going to walk around, put her down for a second and show you guys what I want to work on this week. Okay, so the thing I'm going to get done today besides my laundry is I got to clean the TV. Like, it's got fingerprints on it. The area's dusty. I mean, don't judge me, you guys. I hate dusting. But I got to clean, like, all these little Benjamin fingerprints. So I'm cleaning that today. When we got home from the hospital, Graham actually did clean the windows. And you can't tell because we have a little boy that likes to, like, climb and stuff. So I'm going to be cleaning those windows, too. I'm going to work on that today. Yes, we got that. Next week or this week, what we're gonna do is we have a pile of Ben's toys. We're gonna get rid of all of them. Not get rid of them, but we're gonna move them down to the basement. And we do have a toy box, and we're gonna empty that toy box and have him pick a couple toys to put in the toy box and bring it up here to play with, so we don't have to pick up so much toys. So I'm doing that sometime in the next 2 weeks, okay? And then here's our countertops. We have to have this completely cleared off. Graham just made breakfast for us, but we're going to have this completely cleared off, and we're going to do tiling. So Graham's going to show you guys that. He wants to do like a time lapse, so he's going to show you guys that. I got to clean the windows, and I'm going today or tomorrow throw away all these stupid sippy cups. I have so many sippy cups that it's ridiculous because I was testing them out when Ben was born, and like half of them leaked and I hated it. So I'm getting rid of the sippy cups today, you guys. And one thing I really enjoy you guys telling me is you guys are really enjoying these videos because they give you motivation. You guys are motivating me to clean my crap in my house. Yes, I'm not perfect, and you guys know that. I like to be real with you. I love it, and you guys love it. So yeah, let me show you guys upstairs. You know, so what happens is she was born the day before the free pictures at Walgreens, so I had to get a photo of the family. So we got her, Charlotte, Graham and I's wedding photo, and then Ben's photo. I wanted Graham to take a photo. Graham took this one. I wanted him to get an exact replica of this of her, but we just couldn't do it. So there's that. But one thing I'm going to see if Graham can help me today is putting picture frames up, you guys. I know I've been saying this for months, but now I got a ton of photos of Charlotte. I got empty pictures. I'm just going to do it. Just gonna do it. Let's hope. Hope today's a great day to do stuff. It's first day. It's like actually decent outside, but I'm gonna share with you guys my bedroom. I know it's messy, but these are all the clothes I have to put away. One basket's just full of hangers, clothes. Like I still got Ben's clothes that I kept for her. The stuff I'm keeping. This whole box is clothes I'm gonna sell at the rummage sale of Ben's stuff that I've been finding here and there. But otherwise, I don't have that much laundry. I just got to do it. So, and there's another basket there. So, that is what I'm going to work on today. Yeah. Besides cleaning the window. So now I'm going to take you guys in the basement and show you guys one glance at the basement before we really start tearing it apart. Okay, you guys, so I'm in my basement, and I'm going to get hate for this because I do get random people who watch these videos and then they say negative things, which I'm like, whatever, you guys. At least I'm attempting to show you guys what I do. You know, it's not everybody's perfect, and that's fine with that. I'm okay with it. I'm not perfect, and I'm okay with that. But I'm slowly getting rid of stuff. You guys, it takes a while. You just can't do it immediately. But I'm here to share with you guys the mess. Now, it wasn't like what it was if you guys checked out, like, what, my very first cleaning video that made me do this. It's nothing, anything like that. It just, I have to pack some stuff up. I have to get rid of a lot of stuff. So Graham and I are going to be going through stuff, getting rid of it, just everything. So here is the basement. It's not like super bad. I mean, Ben's been tearing stuff apart, which this is the room where I want him to tear stuff apart anyways. So that's the point, but we are going to go through some more stuff. But this right here, you guys, this is my whole entire stock pile. Yeah, I got stuff here. I got stuff all here. Like, these are just jam-packed. Those are all jam-packed. Just more and more stuff. So that is the reason why I'm having a rummage sale. So let me know what you guys want me to do. I've had a lot of success on you guys learning that stuff. It is frowned upon, but you guys can sell your stockpile. You're just not supposed to sell it more than what, you know, the stores sell it for. I've seen people just sell that stuff at ridiculous, but let me know if you guys want it as a separate video. I did talk to Graham about doing a couponing video. He doesn't want to do it, but he said he's going to do a cleaning video. So we will see what he does. I might make this, I don't know. I'll probably have him just do his own video. Would you guys like that? Yeah. So be prepared for a Graham husband cleaning video. So yeah, but here is that. This is all stuff I need to get rid of. I'm going to show you guys my stockpile, like my personal stuff, like when I tell my husband to put stuff in a certain room. Now these are not stockpile stuff. This is just crap I need to get rid of. So I need to go through that and get rid of it. But it just takes time, you guys. And now with a baby, I can kind of get stuff done. But here's like some of my stockpile stuff. I have a lot of laundry detergent, a lot. But I might not even use half of this crap. One thing I never get rid of ever is cleaning wipes. And that's one thing I don't get rid of. And then here is some other stuff. I got a lot of onesies and twosies, things I don't get very much of, but that's just my stockpile. Yeah. So once we have the garage sale, you guys, I'm going to start continuing to work on this stuff more. This is just randomly put here, but what I'm going to do is actually start working on it. I need to start working on it. It needs to be organized. I think what we're going to do is just put stuff that we really like. I don't know what I'm going to do, but that's what I want to share with you guys on that. So while I have a second, I'm going to clean the windows real quick. I already emptied the dishwasher. Look at that. I'm going to put stuff in the dishwasher, run that, and then start. I don't know what I'm going to do, but today is the day where I'm going to get a lot of cleaning done. So let's see what happens.
So right now I'm cleaning everything you see here, and tomorrow my dad's coming over. We're going to install some tile that my wife picked out. So she's been asking for this for a couple years, and tomorrow we're finally going to get it done. So doing this pattern with some like mocha colored grout, like wheat colored grout. So I'll have an update when I'm partially done.
Yeah, so he cleaned the whole countertop. So yay, husband! Cleaned the whole kitchen countertop. So
I'm really good at that. My wife doesn't do much of the cleaning here.
Shut up.
This is the truth. The truth comes out in week, what, 21?
It does not. I clean all the time.
How often do you do the floor here?
It's your job.
Oh, it's my job.
Okay, so we're going to get ready to clean a little bit more and attend to the baby. I just want to show you guys the progress of the tile backsplash. I picked this out years ago, and Graham didn't like it, and then I'm like, Graham, I'm just going to go and buy it, and he's like, okay. So this is the one half of the kitchen, which looks great, and then we got to still do this half. But other than that, Graham and his dad is doing a very good job with the tile.
Make it a little bit wider. Need to cut it out.
I need to cut some of this off.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to finish up my cleaning video. Husband and my father-in-law finished some of the backsplash. It still needs to be grouted, but here's what it is. We're not putting anything really back because we're going to work on it possibly later this weekend. But I really like it. It makes our kitchen look so much better. Yeah, because when they built this house, they used really cheap cabinets, and we got laminate countertop, but it really makes it pop. So I'm pretty happy with it. They're still going to do more right here, but Graham's going to do that eventually. He's taking a break. He's in a lot of pain from sitting down, you know, on his knees and everything. But other than that, my brother's on his way over. He'll be here in about 2 hours. So we're gonna hang out with him today and go out to a little festival, but right now the baby's sleeping, so I can finally get some stuff done. So my goal is just to kind of pick up some stuff. Every day picking up. Ben's been a royal tear lately, so yes you are. So right here is like all the crap that was kind of on our countertop, so I'm gonna try to just go through it and get rid of stuff. So we got that to pick up, and then he keeps taking my movies off my shelf. Those are my movies right there. I'm going to put those movies on the shelf and fold up the blankets. Ben still needs to eat his breakfast. And then we did take the toy box, brought that upstairs and brought the other toys. So this is going to make the living room a whole lot cleaner. I got to clean the table and then kind of just pick up some stuff. And there's baby Charlotte sleeping. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today is just pick up. And then that is it. We're going to enjoy the nice day. It's supposed to be 80 degrees outside, the first 80-degree weather we've had so far this year. So we're going to enjoy it as a family. So other than that, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for a cleaning video.
Bye-bye.
Because we're going to start cleaning the basement. So just want to give you guys a heads up with that. So again, thanks for watching, and see you guys later.
Bye.